guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the March of 2022 Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the Boxycharm that I received in the mail about 2 days ago. I've been pretty excited to open it. I just have been busy. It is March 26th today, so I did get my Boxycharm late as per usual. It always comes super late for me in Canada, and it really sucks for filming these videos because my hair is crazy. These videos never do that well on my channel because you guys have probably already seen a million Boxycharm videos by the time that I get my box. So that is one of the main reasons why I may end up canceling, because I always get my box super late, and it's really frustrating that they send out boxes so randomly that I never get it on time. Without further ado, let's jump into the box. So when I open up the box, this is what this month looks like. I have no idea what's in this box. So we have a Boxycharm Game Changer, celebrating Game Changer and Boss Babes in honor of Women's History Month. I'm surprised they didn't do like a St. Patrick's Day themed box. So we have all of the prices and explanations to what the products are here. First thing I see is a Alexi Brush Set. So you guys know from watching my channel for a very long time now that I am obsessed with Alexi brushes, so I'm really excited that we got this. The ones that we've gotten in the past from Boxycharm that have been in like a pouch similar to this have had a black pouch, and I think the brushes have been purple. So now we have a purple pouch, and the brushes are green. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Okay, so we have a really, really awesome definer brush, which I'm super excited for because that'll be perfect for liner. We have a packer brush, a blender brush, and then a kind of like a tapered packer brush. So that's really awesome. And it also came with a little sponge. That is so cute. The color is adorable. It's like seafoam green, almost mint colored. It's super cute. I'm very excited about these brushes. 4 brushes and 1 sponge, and that retails for $42. Soar into spring with a new brush set featuring 4 new brushes, eyeliner brush, tapered blending brush, eye shading brush, and a concealer brush, a detailed blender sponge, and a pastel purple pouch for $40. That's actually not that bad for a price point, considering Luxe brushes are my absolute favorite, and I love getting them in subscription boxes because I can never have too many brushes. The next thing that I see is from the brand Frank & Body. So this is a brightening vitamin C mask. So it looks like this. I probably will pass this along to a friend though, because I have used vitamin C products in the past and they break me out really, really badly. I don't know what it is with vitamin C in my skin, but it doesn't really react very well. So this is for babes who bite the forbidden fruit, then mask with it. Cacodum plum tackles pigmentation, and papaya enzyme dissolves dead skin. You get 1.69 fluid ounces, so 15 milliliters, and it is a mask. So bad day, look on the bright side, your skin's having a good one. So I may try this out, but I may also give this away because I haven't had a very good experience with vitamin C in the past, but you never know, it may work. We'll see. Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. This is an active brightening vitamin mask that multitasks. Natural and cruelty-free, is packed with vitamin C, rich Kakuda plum to reveal your brightest, clearest skin. It dissolves your top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin with papaya and pineapple extract, along with lactic glycol and salicylic acid. A sophisticated formula, it's got more than one move. Use the vitamin C for acne, hyperpigmentation, scarring, and fine lines. You don't need that overpriced serum or that beauty filter. So it retails for $19.95, so it's very inexpensive. It's under $20 for this mask, and that's actually not too bad. So we're at $59.95 so far, so almost $60, and that already covers the entire purchase of the box because I only pay about $34 for this box, so that's really cool. The next item is from the brand Gen Skin. I've never heard of this. What is this? Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Okay, so we got another skincare product. Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Marine algae is a straight up from the sea skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps them smooth, plump, and brighten like nothing else. If you're looking for dewier, fresher looking peepers, use this ASAP. And it retails for $49. So I'm actually curious to see what this looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a round cylinder container, and okay, so the eye patches look like, whoa!
Okay, so the eye patches look like, whoa!
They are slimy. Jesus, I just wasted like 2 of them on my dirty ass desk. Okay. So they come out of the package really, really easily, They look like this. They look kind of slimy. My hands are clean, but my desk was not, and that one just fell on my desk, and that's interesting. You do get quite a lot of eye patches though, so that's really interesting. I will definitely give these a go and try them out, but I don't know if I'll actually like them. They are very slimy though. I haven't really had a whole lot of good results with using eye patches like this in the past, so I don't usually cater to them or buy them. So that is interesting, and it's very expensive. It retails for $49, so that is very, very pricey, but I mean, that may not be pricey to you, but it is to me. So I will definitely try this out. The container is nice, but they definitely fall out of it if you're like me and are clumsy and knock things over. Lauren Conrad, the eyeliner. So we got a onyx black eyeliner, and I think it's probably just a black liquid liner. So it looks like this, and the tip looks like that, if my camera will focus. It's just a black eyeliner. I'll give it a try and see if I like it. It retails for $20. Line your lashes with rich color that stays true through wear with its lightweight, non-smearing formula. So 20 bucks for eyeliner. It's pretty standard. I don't know, I don't really need an eyeliner because I have so many of them, but I'll definitely try it and see. And the last thing in here is from the brand Always an Optimus Base Illuminatrix from the brand Rare Beauty. So I think this is Selena Gomez's brand. So the packaging looks like this. I don't really know too much about Rare Beauty. I haven't really tried anything from them, so this is interesting, whatever this is. Rare Beauty Always an Optimus Illuminating Primer, a cooling water-based gel primer that soothes, hydrates, and illuminates skin, prepping you for makeup that looks and feels its best all day. Ultra fine pearls give skin a soft, lit from within glow, and it retails for $26. So the packaging is really nice. It's like a frosted glass packaging. I don't actually think it's glass, I think it's plastic. This is what the primer looks like. I'm really excited to try it. I've never tried anything from Rare Beauty before, and this retails for $26. I don't know if that's actually a good price for primer because I don't ever use primer. I think the only primer I have in my collection is the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and that primer was like $6. So I don't actually know if this is a good price for primer or if this is a good primer or not, but I'll definitely try it. There wasn't really anything in this box that blew me away this month or really that wowed me. Last month we got 2 palettes, and that was like a crazy, amazing box, and I was really, really excited for that box. Whereas this box, we got 1 makeup item. We only got an eyeliner. The rest of the box was either makeup brushes, which is kind of makeup related, but it's not a makeup product, and skincare. We got 3 skincare kind of things. Like the primer, I guess, can be considered makeup, but I would say that's more skincare. So we got eye patches, we got a vitamin C cream, and we got a primer, and then we got brushes and we got eyeliner. So I would say this month's box kind of sucked. It wasn't very good. I do really like the fact that we got the brushes. The brushes are probably my favorite thing out of this entire box, but it was way too skincare heavy for me. I like Boxycharm when it is like pretty much split down the middle or more catering towards makeup than skincare. This one was way too skincare heavy for me. I strongly prefer makeup related items over skincare items. That's just what I personally prefer because I don't really use a whole lot of skincare in my daily use because I really don't have a skincare regime that I follow. So I have a crazy amount of skincare products now from Boxycharm that I haven't even opened or tried to use, and I usually just gets to the point where I pass them along to my friends for Christmas or their birthdays or something because I don't use them. So I would say that I'm getting way too much skincare again, and I'm not that impressed with it. This month's box was pretty good for price. I only paid $34 and it retailed for $154.95, but too much skincare for me. I would strongly prefer makeup items over skincare, and there's just not a whole lot of items in here that are that impressive. The only makeup item was a black eyeliner, and I have a million of these. So kind of disappointed. But that was my Boxycharm this month. Are you still with Boxycharm? Did you get the exact same variation of the box that I did? Let me know in the comments down below if you liked your Boxycharm this month. I'm gonna say that I'm pretty disappointed with mine this month. I'm not that impressed with it at all, and I probably would have rather had the option to pass on this month's box if I could. I like the brushes, but I can get those brushes in the pop-up for $5. So I would say this month's box kind of sucked. And I'm not that impressed with any of the brands that we got either. Gen Skin, I don't really know about. Frank and Body, I think I've heard of before. Rare Beauty is probably the only one that I know of, besides Luxe, but everything else I don't really know. So I would say this month's box kind of sucked, and I'm pretty disappointed. But it is what it is. That's what happens with these monthly subscription boxes. You're not always gonna get a box that you enjoy or or sometimes they're just crap. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.